that's important can be deeply, highly manipulated. One of the hardest case studies to write in my book was about Dylan Roof. He went online and he was trying to make sense of the
National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for east central Grant County in central Arkansas, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas until 5:45 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sheridan, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and baseball-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pine Bluff, Sheridan, Whitehall, Redfield, Warburton, Pine Bluff Arsenal, Hensley Island, Ain, Crossroads in Grant County, Pastoria, Jefferson, Slabtown, Wright, Lock and Dam 5 Park, Kearney, Prague, Tar Camp Park, Samples, Center Grove, Clear Lake.
a race war. This is not an atypical possibility. When you don't get a counterpoint to the question,